Hello friends, welcome to Spice Bites. Today I am here with a snacks recipe, Samosa Bingo. I have given it a unique name for its shape, for its triangular shape. It is a crispy snack and do try at home. If you enjoy watching the recipe, give a like and also comment in the comment section of my channel. The main ingredient for this samosa bingo is mutton mince. Mutton mince, which is the keema. So I have taken here 200 grams of mutton mince. And then the other ingredients goes as onions. These are the chopped onions, coriander leaves, chopped coriander leaves, then the green chilies, then 1 egg, little bit of curd, and for the outer covering we need refined flour. Refined flour I have taken around 4 cups. Then we also will be needing little bit of ghee, then oil for deep frying, and the rest all the common ingredients like the turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder and the dhania powder. I will be giving you all the list of all these ingredients in the description box. Okay, so first we will take a deep pan or a heavy bottomed kadai. Let us add some oil. Then we have to fry the onions. As the oil gets heated, let's fry the onions. Then add ginger garlic paste. When the onions turn light brown, let us now add ginger garlic paste. And we have to saute it for some time. After that we are going to add the mutton mince. First we are making the filling and then we will go to the outer covering, which is the samosa. So this recipe has 2 parts. One is the filling part. Filling we will do with the mutton mince, and the second part is the outer covering samosa part. Now let us add the mutton. Let us add turmeric, chili powder, then goes the cumin powder, then the coriander powder, and we have to saute it. In goes the curd, 2 teaspoons of curd. Let us add the chopped chilies also. Garam masala powder. and finally the dhania leaves, the coriander leaves. We have to saute it till the mutton mince becomes soft. As the mutton mince is getting cooked, let us prepare the outer covering. For that we need 4 cups of refined flour, add little bit of salt. Now instead of oil we will add here 2 spoons of ghee. One and 2. Mix it up well, and then we have to add this egg. As the mutton keema is cooked, we can remove it from the gas and we can keep it aside in a katori. Now the next, we have added the egg here, and now let us mix the flour. Now let's take a ball and let's roll it. After this, let's cut it into 2 halves. Separate it. And we will make a cone of this, like this. Make a cone and fill it up. Stuff it with mutton keema. You have to stuff it and then lock it on the edges. You can use little bit of oil for locking the edges. Deep fry the samosa bingos. Don't overcrowd it. Fry on both the sides till golden brown. Now it's time to take it out from the oil. We have to make sure that it is sealed up nicely, otherwise the filling is going to come out of it. Now let's plate it.